Alrighty, guys, so my allergies are freaking awful right now, guys. Right off the bat, my left eye is freaking swollen shut pretty much, and my nose keeps tickling, my eyes are running, but we have business to take care of this morning. Well, actually, it's almost afternoon. Either way, we have business to take care of, and that consists of us breaking down Tesla stock, which right now is up almost 4.5%, and is breaking over 215, 210, which is a very big level. And before we actually get into it, if you guys have not gone up to 16 stocks yet for Moomoo, it's free money, each up to $2,000. What are you waiting for? Use that link down below or go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. Once you guys open up an account, you get one free share of stock, and if you fund your account with at least $100, you get 5 more stocks, and fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 free stocks. So if you guys want some free money and you want to help out the channel, use that Moomoo link down below. And now, cheers, guys. Let's dive into it. So like I said, guys, Tesla's breaking a key level right now at about, where was it, 210, 215 roughly, and it's up almost 4.5% right now, which is massive. And you guys can see clearly we're taking out the highs from yesterday. I think yesterday we hit around 208, 209, 210 roughly, and yesterday was a pretty good day. I mean, we started off at around well, I guess we opened at 203, and then we went down to 199, and then we ran all the way to 209, 210, like I said. So pretty good day yesterday. And like I said, now we're taking out the highs from yesterday, which is really good. And if I pull up the 5-day chart, let me see what's going on here. 5-day chart, we're of course trading at a high. And guys, look at this. Just a couple of trading days ago, I think on the 25th of May, this stock was at $180. So talk about performance. I mean, from $180 now to 216 in just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trading days, including today. That is up around, what is that, $35? Yeah, $35, almost 20%. So Tesla's really starting to turn around here. And on the 1-hour chart, actually 10-day chart, of course, we're trading at a high on this time frame as well. And on the 20-day chart, you guys are seeing we're just breaking resistance after resistance. And look at that. Back in the beginning of last month, about a month ago, this was at 159.65, and again, now we're at 216. That's a massive move. We're talking $55 roughly, or around 35%. So Tesla's been doing very well, again, up 35% pretty much in the past month. And on the 4-hour time frame, let me pull it up and show you guys, we're now breaking out, like I said in my last Tesla video, above the channel. That's great. We're above the moving averages. We have a golden cross. And now with today's move, this is huge. We talked about this specifically in my last Tesla video. We're taking out the highs from the end of March, being around 208, 209, which is such a big move for the bulls. And now we essentially filled the gap, and now we're testing the highs from, when was this? We talked about this as well. I think from the middle of February, early February, pretty much all of February, we were peaking at about 215, 216. So that's where we're trading right now on Tesla, guys. And if that were to break, I might as well set my alert at 220. Why not? Let me do that now. And my allergies, guys, are freaking killing me. Holy crap. What's going on here, man? I don't know about you guys, where you guys are at, but I'm in New Jersey, and these allergies are awful. And I took, I forget what it's called, just some regular allergy medicine, and it's not doing a thing. Let me tell you that, guys. It is not working. But either way, Mark is at or above 220. We'll see where it goes if it does break out of there. Let me actually look at some levels on the yearly chart where we could be going if we do break above 220. Let's see, 215, 220, which now we're starting to get there, but more like 225, right? So let's say we do break above there. We could start going 230, 235. If I zoom in here, you guys can see that's where Tesla peaked out at pretty much in October, heading into November, kind of. Yeah, early November of this past year. So that'd be where it'd go next, in my opinion. Let's see. So if that were to break, let's say we broke above 235, where could it go then? Maybe you could argue maybe 250, 255. We're just drawing out levels, guys. I mean, who knows exactly where it's going to go. But 250 to 255, if I zoom in here, you guys can see that was the highs from about a year ago, or those were the highs from about a year ago. from the beginning of June all throughout pretty much July, we were peaking at 250, 255. So yeah, I mean, this is where Tesla could start breaking out to, and it's not too far-fetched considering we are taking out levels from a couple months ago. We're starting to now. We're above the moving averages on the yearly chart, and it's starting to turn. The bulls are gaining momentum by the looks of it, and you can see that on the 4-hour chart as well, clearly, like we broke down all video. So yeah, man, this is pretty good news in my opinion for the bulls. Now let's see if we can actually break above 220. So my alert's set there. I might as well put another one at I'll do another one at 225. Let me do that now. Mark is at or above $225. Boom, there we go. And there's a lot of other movers today, guys. The stock market in general is doing very well right now. It's currently about 11:30 a.m. We have the Russell up 2.3%, Nasdaq 0.8, the S&P's up 1.3 as the Dow's up 1.8%. Holy crap. Now the VIX, oh my gosh, guys, the VIX is down 6%. It's now at 14. Oh my god, the VIX is at 1470. It's at a fresh low here on the 4-hour chart. That is wild. And we have, what's the low on the 1-year chart on the VIX? Yeah, we're probably there. Yeah, we're there. 14.7 on the 1-year. That's the low. And on the 3-year chart, it's 14.1. That was the low on the VIX. So essentially the VIX now, guys, is where it was at in the midst of that bubble we saw post-pandemic. That's essentially where it's at. I mean, that was what, in the middle of June 2021. Last time it was in the low 14s. And that's pretty much where we're headed right now. That's pretty crazy if you ask me, guys. So markets are on fire right now. We have Triple Q taking out the highs from a couple days ago. Yeah, we hit 355, almost 356 today. A couple days ago, we peaked out at about 354. So that's taken out. That's a good sign, of course, for the bulls. And it seems like we got that little pullback. Bulls came in, buyers came in at around the 50 SMA on the 4-hour chart. Boom. That's where we started to spike. Pretty interesting there, guys. And, that goes to show the strength in the bulls right now. And, guys, look at that. SPY is also trading at a high right now. We just hit 427.70, and it seems like we're finally starting to head towards those highs from the beginning of August, or August in general. Let me pull the 1-year up so you guys can see. Back in August, we hit 430, 431, and again, now it looks like, to me at least, I don't know, what do you guys think in the comments, but to me, looks like we're finally starting to head to that point. And if we do break 431, guys, we have a lot more upside on SPY, in my opinion, maybe to 450.60. That was the high from the end of August, or rather March of last year. So yeah, looks like the tides are starting to turn. Bulls are gaining momentum here in a lot of these different stocks, and we have a lot more content to make hopefully later today. Hopefully if my allergies are feeling a lot better. I got to edit this video a lot. I kept stopping and pausing, but of course you guys didn't see that because it is edited. So if you guys enjoy the video, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe. Do not forget to get up to 16 stocks from Moomoo, each up to $2,000. Link down below, or by going to stassurfest.com/Moomoo, guys. It is free money. Once you open up an account, you get 1 free share of stock. Fund your account with at least $100, you get 5 more stocks, and fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 free stocks. So if you guys want some free money and you want to help out the channel, use that Moomoo link, get 12 more stocks from Webull, and check out my Patreon, which I just bought some more stocks in my Patreon portfolio today. Link down below. And now, cheers. I'll catch you guys later.